To block someone's number on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the phone application. From here you will have to go for the recents, and you can block number from your recents. Like, you can simply select any number that you'd like to block, press and hold on this one, and here is the button to block this number. And here's additionally the switch to report call as spam, but I will not actually do this. I want just to block this number. And now you can see that it is blocked. This is a first way actually to do this. And the second way is you can simply go into these three dots on the top right corner and go for the settings. And from here, go for the blocked numbers. And from here, you can see there's this number which I just blocked. And you can also block numbers by pressing this button to add a number. And here you can type in the number manually which you want to block and press this button to block it. And that's the second way to do this, and that's it.